Hey everybody, I'm Brian Drouin, one of the producers of You Oughta Know. Welcome to my backyard. At the beginning of the pandemic, it was nearly impossible to go out and get a good coffee drink. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make a couple of fun, fancy coffee drinks. They're easy to make, and they'll save you upwards of $5 or more per drink. Everything we need is on the table here. First thing I'm going to do is introduce you to the kitchen gadgets that'll help us make these coffee drinks. So the first gadget is this guy. This is the cold brew coffee pot. What you do is you take 10 to 12 scoops of your favorite coffee, you put it in the filter, you fill it most of the way up with cold water, and you put it in your fridge for about 12 to 18 hours. This is a milk frother. My family got this for me for Father's Day. It has been amazing, and it really allows you to do those foam-topped coffee drinks, which is what we're going to be making today. This allows you to do that. So the first coffee drink we're going to make is a pumpkin and vanilla salted caramel foam cold brew. I know that sounds complicated, but it's really not, and I'll show you how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is add some salt. A little bit of salt goes a long way. Next thing we're going to add is the pumpkin caramel syrup. Judge for yourself how much you need. Next, I'm going to add some vanilla creamer. Now here's where the magic happens. You grab your milk frother. You need to use this for about a minute. Here we go. See how it's getting thick? Add a couple of ice cubes. Add about 1/3 of a cup of water. And then we're going to add our cold brew. Make sure you save some room at the top for the foam. Right up to the top. All right, let's try this. Oh man, that is so good. Sorry. That is really good. The pumpkin, the salted caramel, the vanilla, it all just comes together. It is an amazing fall coffee drink. You're really gonna love it. For our second coffee drink, we're gonna make a blended mocha coffee. So let's get started with that. So the first thing we're gonna do is add about 1.5 cups of frozen chocolate almond milk ice cubes. Now the great thing about these, you can give them to kids. It's also a healthy little snack. I made little flamingos and little fish. Next, we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of our cold brew coffee. And then we'll add a little of the almond chocolate milk. The last thing you need for this is some simple syrup. You take 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and you boil it until the sugar dissolves, and you have simple syrup. Now we're gonna blend it all together. And we'll top it off with a little whipped cream, and how about a little drizzle on top. Now for the taste, and Shirley, don't yell at me, these are reusable straws. Oh, that's really good and cold and refreshing. So there you have it. You can make 2 great coffee drinks. You can skip the masks, you can skip the lines, although when your family tries these drinks, I think you'll have a line in your kitchen anyway. And speaking of Shirley, I think she wanted to try one of these, so I made one for her, and I'm gonna go give it to her. See you, everybody. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Shirley.
And I'm Regina Mitchell. For more videos like this, subscribe to WHYY.